And right now there is a shortage of HVAC technicians, not only in the Hoosier State, but across the country. One new program is helping address that issue. Jessica Grunling is live this morning from Lincoln Tech with the details on that. Jessica, good morning.
Good morning, Caitlin. Lincoln Tech has added an HVAC technician program, which actually launched in October with about 60 students. So the students will get some hands-on learning and learn the trade for commercial, residential, and heating and air conditioning. The goal is to make them career ready in about a year. The Hoosier State, much like the rest of the country, is facing a skills gap. Employers are finding it hard to fill open positions quickly and with qualified candidates. Some of that is people leaving the workforce for different jobs or retirement. In Indiana, the HVAC industry is projected to add 8,000 technicians by 2030, and nationwide that number will be more than 420,000 by 2033.
What we're looking to do is provide some of those folks. We can't produce all of them. We need some help, but the industry needs some assistance, so that's what we're here to do.
Experts say without more technicians, customers may face longer wait times. More than 42,000 job openings are projected each year over the next decade. And again, classes did start back in October, but the official ribbon cutting on that new lab is today at 1 o'clock. If you're interested in Lincoln Tech's HVAC program, you can visit their website. Live in Indianapolis, Jessica Grunling, WRTV.